Actor Sharon Stone came to me knowing almost nothing about her mother's roots. We set out to change that and traced her maternal line back to a man named George Greggs. George is Sharon's third great-grandfather. He was born in 1842, and he spent much of his life as a coal miner in Pennsylvania. But that's not all he did. George also served his country. This is the veteran schedule of the 1890 federal census for Mercer County, Pennsylvania.
George Greggs, rank Private, Company A, 17th Pennsylvania Cavalry. Date of enlistment, August 30th, 1864.
Did you have any idea that you descend from a veteran of the Civil War who fought on the right side?
From a Yankee. Feels good.
Yeah.
You know, it's a proud moment for me to look at this. I'm a proud American. I'm proud of our democracy, and I believe in our democracy. And I'm proud to be a part of it. I'm sure my great, 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 great grandfather was too.
George signed up to fight when he was 22 years old and was assigned to a cavalry regiment.
As a coal miner, he likely had little experience riding horses, but he quickly found himself tested.
In the early hours of October 19, 1864, Confederate forces launched a surprise attack on the Union Army in the Shenandoah Valley, threatening Washington, D.C. By mid-morning, the Union was in disarray, but a ferocious counterattack led by the cavalry turned the tide in what became known as the Battle of Cedar Creek.
Wow.
The victory became national news. That victory helped ensure Abraham Lincoln's re-election to a second term the following month, and your ancestor was there.
Freaking badass. I love that.
George lived to be 74 years old, and as we pored over the records that he left behind, we noticed something that Sharon could not have expected. George was born in England and immigrated to America as a child. Sharon found this surprising because she had always believed that the vast majority of her roots lay in Ireland. But an even bigger surprise lay ahead in Sharon's DNA. Read those percentages.
43% Scotland.
You're 43% Scottish.
I thought I was all Irish.
Interesting.
Oh, I'm Scottish.
You are indeed.
I'm Scottish. 43% Scottish.
Yeah.
24%
England
English.
and Northwest Europe.
11% Swedish and Denmark. Well, that's,
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
Yeah.
10% Germanic in Europe. Only 7% Irish. I'm loving you and leaving you guys. 3% Norwegian and 2% Welsh.
Right.
Hello.
Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are, where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.